Hi, I'm Nick Grossman with Wenger Corporation, and I'm here at LDI 2023. In front of us today, we have two light fixtures specifically designed for orchestra shells. We have the LDI fixture and the Novara fixture. The LDI is designed for new shell installs and comes with a wide variety of features. We have it in white and RGBW. There are many different beam angles, and it comes with PowerCon in and out standard, and for data you can either do RJ45 or 5XLR. With it being designed specifically for orchestra shells, it is a very slim fixture. That means that you do not add your storage depth, and there are also no things to catch on throughout when it is in storage with drapery and such around it. In addition to that, it is fully adjustable from the face. With an orchestra shell, you cannot get at the fixture to focus it from the rear when it is in performance, and so being fully adjustable from the face is very important. The Novara fixture, on the other hand, is specifically designed as a retrofit fixture. So we have a lot of shells out in the field that use the PAR Source 4 MCM. This fixture is a drop-in replacement. It can be both mains dimmable or DMX, so it can fit all applications for the user. For more information, please visit our website, www.wengercorp.com, and go to our Performing Arts page. Thank you.